you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have February's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so February's Goddess Provisions just arrived, and it arrived like this. They handed me the box at work and I was like, what's this hairy little thing? And he's like, I'm not sure. I asked them if they were trying to dig in there themselves and they said no. I'm like something happened. I got some hairy box right now. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's see what is in February's box. Now, last month, they did an amazing box. I felt they were definitely back on track. So hopefully they're still on that same good train going forward this year. Let's see what's in February. So here we go. There's that. And of course, I need to dump everything out to get to the card on the bottom. So hold on. That card right there. Here we go. So this is what the artwork looks like for February. And the monthly mantra is, I am guided and protected by the divine. And it's gonna go over all of the items over here with the actual pricing. So let's go ahead and just see what now I have thrown on my table here in front of me. So let me move all these squigglies out of the way at least. My hairy box squiggles. Okay, so the first thing that I am seeing is this right here. And it says it's a sacred metal alchemy, brass, silver, gold. I don't see no silver. I just see like gold. But it says enamel coated. So maybe, I don't know. But that is what that looks like. This guy here, it says Seed of Creation, Isis Internal Love Bracelet. Embody the magic of sacred symbols from ancient Egypt when you wear this bracelet. It was homemade in Bali using the lost wax casting process and metal alchemy that combines brass, silver, and gold. You can use coupon code ONELOVE and it'll save 33% off at seedofcreation.com. And it is adjustable and it has all this information on the back. Probably that goes over the different symbols that are on here. Yes, let me pull this off. So this is what the bracelet looks like. It says love is internal on the back. That's like actually punched in, if you can kind of pick that up. And then this is what the front of it looks like. Now on the back of this card, it does go over what each of the symbols represent that are on here. So you can see like the heart, you can see like that little, this thing right here. All of those symbols tell you what it represents right here. So let's get this on, and it's adjustable. So, okay. So if you have a little wrist, I'm not quite sure how this would be because you guys know I have a really big wrist and I only have like a little tiny bit of room that I can actually go tighter if I needed to. So I don't know, people that have tiny wrists, this might not fit. I'm not sure how it would work, but it might just be loose. So there's that. And I just don't like these things that hang. They like get in the way and they get in the way. I don't like them. So there is that bracelet right there. I'm going to take it off because again, these things right here are going to drive me crazy. So let me just take that off. But there is the bracelet for this month. Is something that I would never wear. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm just going to probably just stick it right back on this card for now until I figure that out. So there's that. And that is valued for $25. All right. So then here is these incense cones right here. And this says it's frankincense incense cones valued for $6. You can use coupon code GODDESS25 to save 25% off at SOAPYLAYNE.etsy.com. And it says, burn this incense cone in the morning to invoke the energy of protection and magic. So there's only 4 little incense cones in there for $6. Now we have it says whole flower infusion. 1 flower equals 3 cups. It says drink flowers, be well. And this guy here says the QI Blue Lotus Flower Infusion. This is valued for $4.50. You can use coupon code GODDESS20 to save 20% off at the-qi.com. Known as the ancient Egyptian dream flower, this blossom was organically grown and handpicked during the fullest bloom to use in sacred ceremonies. Steep as a tea or use in a facial steam to soak up healing antioxidants. So there's that. I don't know how, if you put that in tea, how that flower is going to make your, unless you stick it in with another tea, but if you were just to heat this up in hot water, I don't know how it would taste if it's just a flower. It says wonderful flower antioxidants, naturally caffeine free, no artificial ingredients or flavors. So I don't know how in the hell that would taste if you just put that in tea. Have you guys ever just put a flower in your tea? Does it have a taste, or is it just gonna taste like water? Do I need to add an actual tea bag to make it taste good and then you add the flour? Like, how the hell does this thing work? I'm so confused. But there's that flower for $4.50. So far, I'm not really liking this box. Let's just keep on going. Let's see if something saves the box. This says Magic Gold, Shimmer Gold Bath Bomb. Nope, this definitely is not saving the box. Here is, it looks like a pyramid, and it says Hexed Salt Pyramid Bath Bomb. Travel to the pyramids in spirit as you soak in healing salts and the luxury scents of jasmine and frankincense oils. As it fizzes, your bath bomb will reveal a clear quartz treasure. I might just toss this, like, just to see what the clear I might just get this wet so I can get to the clear quartz to see if it's like a big enough stone that I want to keep. So there's that. And this thing is valued for $10. $10 for a little pyramid bath bomb. Alrighty then. So let's keep on going. We have 2 more items and that's it. So yeah, this right here says Vanilla Plus Rose. It's some kind of oil. I don't know. This is Kate's Magic Rebirth and Anointing Oil. I have no clue what that word is. Inspired by the Egyptian goddess of death and rebirth, this sacred blend will lure you into the present moment with an enchanting scent of vanilla and Moroccan rose. Use coupon code Katie's Magic 15 to save 15% off at Katie's Magic GIK with a K, not a C.com. And this is valued for $18. So that's something that I won't use, so I'm not even going to open it. I'm just going to set that aside. Sorry, there's 2 more items. We have the crystal for the month. Is this an amethyst? Yes. This is a banded amethyst stone. This stone is known to open the 3rd eye chakra. Use it when practicing and healing art to strengthen your intuition and enhance your abilities to receive and interpret spirit insights. And amethyst is February's birthstone. So that's kind of cool that they put this in February's box. And I love amethyst. So I like the stone for the month. And this is valued for $3.50. So then the last item in here is going to be an oracle deck. It says Pocket Edition. This is valued for $17. This deck contains 44 cards of divine insight from Goddess Isis. Pull a card or lay out a full spread to access guidance on how to wield your spiritual gifts of healing and magic. Valued for $17. And there's no coupon code for this guy, but it's published by @Blue Angel Publishing. So let me open this guy. I mean, you guys, I'm not thrilled with anything in this box. Not one damn item in this box am I even thrilled about. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the packaging again without the plastic on it. Here's the back of it. And then you open it up. And that is what the cards look like. Very pretty artistry on there. I like all the bright, bold colors. And then on the back, it goes over, I guess, all of the information on each card, and they're all different colors. So that is what this deck looks like. And again, this is valued for $17. So here's that. Very bright colors, I'll give it that. So I'm not excited about anything, but the only thing that I'm going to be keeping would be this Oracle deck, even though I have quite a few of them, and the amethyst crystal, which it's not even like that big. I have tons of like big clusters and stuff, so I'm not even excited about it, but I'm going to keep it. And then the last thing would be the Serpent on Fire Ritual. It's a digital download, and that's valued for $44. Holy moly. Activate your creative feminine power and divine wisdom through an embedment ritual with Isis Expert. Download it, tells you how to download it. And again, that's valued for $44. Your purchase helped us make a donation to the Egyptian Food Bank and Egyptian Educate Me Fund Foundation. Oh, that's cool. I have them all linked down below. You can check out their website. They do have individual items you can purchase from their site, not just the subscription box. So if you want to check that out, that'll all be down below. The grand total for this box, I will put right here. Going over this one more time, we have the Pocket Edition Oracle deck. We have a amethyst crystal. We have a rebirthing oil. We have a flower that you can put in your tea or steam it as a facial steamer. You have 4 little incense cones. You have 1 little bath bomb, and you have this bracelet. So again, I'm not excited about anything in this box whatsoever. That's my own opinion. I'm allowed to have it. If you guys see it differently, that's fine. That's why we're all different. But I'm just telling you my opinion and what I feel about the box that I received. So there's that, you guys. That is everything that I have to show you about this particular box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items in here? I just feel like they just backtracked again. Like last month, they hit it out of the park. It was amazing. And this month, I'm like, oh, what happened? So there's that. If you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, you get 5 to 7 full-size products per box. Great value, typically between $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. They do free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. Canada is $15 and international is $25. I'm not quite sure if those two have changed, but they do charge additional for those two Canadian and international shipping. And every single box, everything inside is always vegan and cruelty free. And then you'll get a mixture of crystals, aromatherapy, you have spiritual growth tools, superfood, snacks, teas, that kind of thing. You can pause or cancel at any given time. And yeah, that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.